My name is Wendy Rich. I am the Assistant Professor of Agriculture at Seminole State College. I serve as the degree mentor for the Agriculture degree program. I am a faculty advisor for the SSC Aggie Club as well as the Shooting Sports Club on campus. Students are goal-oriented and they know that in order to be successful that they can't do this alone. I think that we have a lot of advantages here that they can't receive at a four-year. Seminole State provides them with those additional resources. From the start, when they arrive to sign up for classes, they are met with amazing advisors, financial aid instructors. Admissions is able to help them with transcripts. They have a plethora of groups on campus that want to make sure that our students are successful academically, personally, and emotionally. One of the biggest advantages for students coming to SSC, specifically class size, the students are interacting with one-on-one. It's a very casual learning environment that they seem to be very receptive to. We're like a small family. I see these students on a day-to-day basis. I get to know a little bit about them, where they come from, their backgrounds, and what they're trying to achieve. Keeping students engaged is key. I like to use group activities that get the students up, moving around in the classroom, taking them outside the classroom. What they learn in the lab that's related to the content, I help them to make that connection to the real world. And we see that students are better equipped with taking that information and using it beyond our classrooms. One of my favorite pieces to the agriculture program here at Seminole State is the use of the greenhouse. It has added an element to those courses that you just can't recreate in the classroom itself. It's definitely my little oasis, if you will, to escape to, and you find the students really enjoy it as well. I cannot believe how many opportunities we have on campus. This is a great transition from that high school setting to move into a four-year classroom. SSC is a very supportive place. At SSC,
Together,
we grow.